Hello peoples, this is What Eating a Dave, striving to improve my relationship with food and my lifestyle. And I'm afraid my lack of sleep today, I have no one to blame but myself. You know how you just go on your phone for a little bit before you go to bed, and then it's 3 a.m. Yeah, whoops. Anyways, for breakfast we're having this energy, breakfast drink. And well, it was nice and chocolatey. It had no oats. Why does the label say that it's made of oats when there's no actual porridgey oats? And I realize now that it probably meant oat milk, but my expectations were too high. Now, unfortunately, the kiwis are starting to go off. So sweet, so sour. Still nice though. And after I finished snacking away on far too much fiber, I started lunch. Jalapenos mixed with tuna and beans. And you see it? We've returned to the microwave. Plus I added this katsu bread roll. Even the smell, it was delectable. And so we mix it inside and voila! Another success for the Cho cookbook. And when I imagine this book, it's pretty much a scrunched up bit of paper written in crayon. But that doesn't stop us from doing after work coffee with milk. Plus we're even challenging liquid calories today. Right before my tea, which consists of vegetable soup, jalapenos, chicken, and eggs. I think I've done it. I think I've mastered the art of poached eggs at this point. I'm so proud of myself. You see the running yolk? I'm so good. Plus we yet again had another katsu bread roll. It really brings it all together. And just before I finishing the day, we went on a late night shopping trip. Beaches, 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 do. Forgot what the actual tune was there. But oh well. Plus we got these little blocks of cheese. And apple and cheese is a good combination. And we finished the day with me edging away in my dray while snacking on these nuts. And that's all. So, bye peoples!